Now, I was not planning on making a video on this at all, but I mean, why not? It's a good learning opportunity for maybe some of you guys out there that want to learn how to take care of your machines. So this is a recoil, and this is usually what happens when it's an older machine. It just snaps off, it's rusty. So what you got to do is create that fold again. You see that middle part? You got to create that fold, but you can't just bend the metal. It's just going to snap on you again. So you got to heat it up with a torch until it's red hot and then slowly bend it. So I'm going to show you that. Now I'm really not set up like with a workbench or anything to show you guys, you know, up close. I'm going to do the best I can, so bear with me. But I've got my torch. First thing we're going to do, light that up. I'll set the camera down and I'll try and focus in the best I can to show you guys me heating it up and folding it. Once you have the bend that you like, then you're gonna dip it in some water just to cool it down. And then you're pretty well good to go. So let's try and get this on film. I'm gonna attempt it. All right, so get my torch lit. Now I'm gonna try not to melt my phone. So I don't know if you guys can see, but it's starting to get red hot. That's what we want. Okay, set the torch. And then just slowly bend. Okay, it's already going. Now you don't need to rush this. Just keep bending it, heating it up, bend a little bit at a time, and you're gonna be just fine. Turn off the torch. I do apologize for the film quality on this, but like I said, I wasn't planning on making a video on this at all. I was just gonna fix it. Okay, so I'm gonna hold that out. Pour some water on it, and it should be good to go. Now it's good to go. You just gotta put it back in the machine. You gotta wind it up. I'll show you that too, because why not? So I did forget to mention, just put an extra loop in it. If you guys can see that. See how it's kind of looped? That's a better angle. So it's got that loop, so that can go around the pin of your actual recoil case. So then you just hook it on, then you got to wind it up, put tension on it, and then add in the pull cord. Let's do that. Okay, once you got it set in, now the little tabs that actually hook onto the recoil, those can be a little bit finicky. We can see how it works. So what you got to do is you got to wind it about 7 times so it'll actually recoil before you put the pull cord back in. So I'm just gonna count it out. Gotta find a spot. Okay, so that's where it's going in. So I'm gonna use that as my guide. We'll tie a knot. Keeping the cord as long as possible. Just like that. Single knot should be fine. Okay, so I got it, so you can see that it's all the way in. Everything's functioning. Now, while you have it open, don't be afraid to get in there. A little extra WD, just grease it up good. It's gonna keep water out. That's what WD does. Work it in, and you're good to put it back on. So last thing to do is just see if it's gonna fire up. So we're outside. As you can see, I got my help, but let's see if this thing's gonna go. So as you can see, fired up, it's running smooth. Not too bad, so I'm gonna go see if I can cut the fairway. hope you guys enjoyed this little how-to video, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Maybe I'll throw me mowing the fairway in at the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed.